Hello everyone, my name is Maruti GV, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain one important problem on isometric car projection. The problem statement is like this. A cone of base diameter 30 mm and height 60 mm rests centrally over a cube of side 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of solids. See here we have two combination of solids. One is cone and another one is what? Cube. Here cone is resting on the top of the cube. Okay. Now, yeah, I will go for the software. I'll make use of AutoCAD software to explain this particular problem. Here, I will go for say the sheet selection. The first step in case of AutoCAD is what sheet selection. I will go for here new browse template. In that, I'm going to make use of this AutoCAD ISO sheet. Okay, which is the sheet which is we are using for metric system. Okay, then open. See, now we selected AutoCAD ISO sheet. After that, we need to go for three main settings. One is unit settings. You go for UN enter, then decimal. Yeah, precision will be 0.00. Unit is millimeter since we selected ISO sheet. Okay. Then D enter. That is dimension settings we need to make. In order to specify what is the arrow size and what is the text size, we need to go for here modify symbols and arrows. I'm going to set arrow size as a 4. Then again text height. Text height is also I'm going to set as a 4. Then we'll go for primary units and I will check with unit format precision. And here decimal separator always you please go with the period. Okay. Otherwise comma it will happen na 14 comma 11 like that the value still it will show. If you go for period it will be 14.1. See like this. Then you click on OK. Don't forget to select set current. Close. Next one is what text time. Shortcut will be ST enter. Here we are going to set the text height. Whatever the text we are going to type now for that we are going to set the height. Set current, close. Then after that so we need to go for layers. Okay. Here I'm going to make use of three layers for the isometric problems. One is thick line layer. Okay. I will go for thick line. And here color I'm going to maintain black color and the continuous line is type is continuous. Line weight I'm going to take 0.5 for it because this is a thick line. Then I'll go with a new layer. Next layer is a thin layer. Okay, thin line layer. I take thin line. Then here I will go with yeah color. I'm going to make use of red color for thick line. Then again, see, it is a continuous and line weight, it is a thin line, so I will go with projection line thickness 0.05. And the last one here, I'm going to take that is axis line or center line. Okay, go with axis line. And I'm going to set color as a blue here. Then after that, I will go with the line type continuous. Thickness, I'm going to maintain somewhat 0.15. Okay, line type is not continuous. Okay, we need to select a suitable line to represent the continuous center line. Maybe center R2 or center X2 you can use. Okay, please check with that. Say once you draw the center line, you select that particular that axis line and you just check with this whether it is suitable for your representation of axis line or what. Okay, then I'll click on close. I will close the layer. Then after that, the next main thing is that we need to shift ourselves from this isometric snap to, sorry, rectangular snap to isometric snap. Now see here, now whatever the graph sheet we are getting here, you can observe, see, rectangular boundaries, right? Now I want to change that to isometric. So I will go for DS enter, that is draft settings. Here you go for here, see, same snap and grid. Here see snap, you please change from rectangular snap to isometric snap. See? You are going to think the isometric graph. Now see what is the orientation you want. Now say I don't want this plane. I'll go for F5. Say yeah, this is what my requirement of the plane. Now instead of doing the sketch directly on the model, You can go with the layout also, because after doing the sketch in the model, once again we need to input that to layout. That's why directly I will go for layout. And once you click on layout, you here you need to make some layout settings, because we are going to take a printout in A4 sheet, right? That's why we'll go for layout, modify, DWG to PDF. Then what is the sheet size? That is, we are going to select ISO A4 297 into 210. Click on OK, close. Right? And now this is the border. This see this dotted border indicates this is the A4 sheet border within which we can do the sketching. But here see this one. First, what we'll do, we'll make it's okay. We'll delete this one and we'll make use of all this entire area for drawing. For that purpose, you go for MV enter model view. Okay, select model view. Now I am going to make use of all this area. See, like okay. Now I will go for the problem. Yeah, we can start the problem now. See, a cone of base diameter 30 mm, height is 40 mm. It is justly only over cube of side 50. Now first we will go for cube. Now here you can observe the first sketch what we are getting here. This is the front view and this is the top view. See, it is mainly used to understand the problem. Here you can observe this part in the front view. You can observe, say, the base is what it is, a cube of height, a cube of 50 mm size, and here this is the cone which is having the height of 40 mm. Then again, when you look from the top, you can see this I mentioned. If you look this front view on top view, and you can understand how it looks when you place cone on the this cube. Now, how it looks, you will get it. Then after that, you will get a clear imagination. Then you can go for isometric projection. Now, I will go for cube, which is in the size of 50 mm. I will go for software. I will select the line. Now here directly I will go for thick line. Why? Because I am constructing the base part cube of 50. Now see here, now I want to select, I am to start from one point, right? Now here we have an option that is F9. By using F9, if you switch on it, then see, you can easily move this here. When you move your cursor, now it will, yeah, it will move from corner to corner here. See, once again, we'll check it that. Yeah, okay, I'll like line command. Now see, if you switch on F9, see how that the cursor, it is moving from this the box's corner, right? So on that only we are going to do the sketching, right? That's why. Now see, we need to construct a cube of base 50. So I will select one point here. See from this 3 box 4 and 5. That is 50 mm. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again that is 50 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then again, if a cube means what, height is also again 50 mm, right? 3, 4, 5 units. Then again this side also it is 5 units. Then you just connect that. Then again line. Then you just draw the 50 mm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again you just connect the this is 50 to 50 square. Okay. The same procedure you are going to use in manual method, right? So here you will select one point that is 50 mm. See, that is 5 boxes. Then again 55 boxes, 5 boxes, 5. Then again height 5 boxes. Then you can connect. Okay. You can use this particular the video for both manual method and okay. If you are making use of AutoCAD, then you can use of this one also. Now this is what the cube. Now over this cube only we are going to place the cone. Okay, and they have given base cone is what having dimension of 30 mm. So I will go for again line command. Now I need to find out the center. Okay, here I will go for your midpoint. So total is 50, right? Then that is midpoint will be 25, right? Then again this is what your midpoint, that is 2.5 boxes. Then again here. Now you got the center point. Now, on which we are going to place what? That is cone base. Cone base is what? The diameter they have given, that is 30 mm, right? Now we will go for again. I will go with here thick lines to indicate that. Here see line command. 30 mm means what here? 1.5 box, right? That is 15 mm. 1.5 box, right? Since we are at the center, it will go for this. Okay. Now, yeah. I will go with here. We have another command that is here. See this one ortho. If we switch on ortho, we can draw only horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Now see that is 15, right? 15 means what? 1.5 boxes. Then again here also 1.5 boxes. It is 15 mm. Then the total. See 1.5 means what here? See, it is 15, right? See 15. Then again this total. See what is the total? That is 50 mm, right? Sorry, 30 mm. So it will be 3 boxes. Then again, right? 3, right? 3 means 30. Yes. Then again here, total it will be what? 30 mm, right? Yeah, 30. Then again, this is also 30. Then again, this is 1.5 half, right? Now we have a that is base of our cube, right? Now whatever the drawing I am doing, it is for what? Isometric drawing. Now whatever the dimension I am going to enter, it is also a isometric dimension. Okay. Now after finding this, I am going to delete this line. See, then or else before that, what you can do is you can draw the axis, right? See, what is the height of your cone? That is 40 mm. So you go for line command this axis line from this center. What is the length of your axis? That is, yeah, I will switch off this ortho. Okay, now I need a vertical line. See, I will go for it. This is 40 mm, right? From this 40 mm. Okay, it will be up to here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 40. 40, right? This is what axis. Now again, I will go for line command. That is, I need a thick line, right? Yeah. And here we will go here. Now only you can construct axis, or else after constructing the base also you can go for the axis, right? Actually, the base what we construct now, it should be a thin line, not thick line. Why I am telling you? It is yeah. Now here we are constructing a base of what this one cone, right? That's why. So it should be a thin line. Now we need to go for line command. It is a thin line. See, from this corner, I need to go for midpoint. So this is what your midpoint, right? This is what your midpoint, that is 1.5, because the base is what having the dimension of 30 mm. So 15 mm means what? 1.5 boxes. Then again, after drawing the line from the bottom corner, then again top corner, then again from the top corner to here, midpoint. Okay, see, from here to here, midpoint. Okay, now we know how to construct the base, right? You go for here, center starting, right? But it is a thick line, so I will go with the thick line, right? See, from this is the center, starting point, end point. Same compass, center, starting point, end point. Okay. Then the same thing, center starting, fixed point, starting point, then end point. Okay. If it is moving like that, you go to control, it will come reverse. See, like this. Then again, center started from the top, right? You need to draw the heart. This is the starting point, and this one is the end point. Now see, our cone base is ready. Now you trim all the whatever the lines are there, na projection, and see all these lines. Okay, that you just delete it because it looks very clumsy. Okay, like this also you can delete. Okay, now here from the you select the line. Now from this top of the cone, now we need to draw the lines here. It is what it is should on the tangent to this particular whatever arc we have drawn. Now see, this is the cone top. Yeah, see like. Then after that, see whatever the hidden lines are, that also you just delete it. Okay, it is also very important. You just delete the extra lines. Okay, see, like, okay, yeah. Now then again this one. Then this is what the cone what we needed, right? Then I will switch on graph so that it will be yeah, no problem. It will be clearly visible. Mm, yeah, okay. Hmm. Now see, I will go for Control P. I will check how it looks. Preview. See, it looks very good. Okay, thank you.